Welcome to the best picks. The best manual riveter is probably one of the most versatile and essential hand tools for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling you to effortlessly create strong and lasting connections in various materials such as metal, plastic, and leather. In this video, we will explore the key features, benefits, and considerations when choosing a manual riveter, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and project requirements, ensuring you select the perfect tool for all your fastening tasks. Number 5. NEU MASTER Rivet Gun. This rivet gun is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its versatility and ease of use make it perfect for a wide range of projects. It comes with 4 color-coded rivet heads, making it simple to switch between different rivet sizes. Each head is conveniently stored on the handle and includes 50 aluminum rivets. Built with a robust aluminum alloy body and reinforced carbon steel handle, it's designed to withstand heavy use. This ensures a long and reliable lifespan. The ergonomic design allows for comfortable single-handed operation, saving you time and effort. The fixed sleeve and knurled rivet heads make head changes quick and easy. It's perfect for various applications, from automotive and aviation to furniture repair. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool for any workshop or home repair kit. This kit provides everything you need to get started. You'll receive the rivet gun, for interchangeable heads, and 200 rivets, all in a convenient carrying case. What we like. It features multiple rivet heads and a robust build. If you need a durable and versatile tool for various projects, this is a great option. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. What people say. Unit feels sturdy. One-handed operation. Frees your other hand to hold pieces together. Rivet head changes without tools. No wrench to lose. Number 4. BEETRO Hand Riveter. This handy tool makes fastening a breeze. It's perfect for various materials and projects around the house or workshop. It comes with 4 different rivet heads, so you're ready for any job. Simply switch between the 332, 1/8, 532, and 316 heads as needed. You'll receive 100 rivets in 4 sizes with your purchase, so you can get started right away. No need to buy extra rivets immediately. It's ideal for working with metal, plastic, leather, and more. It's a versatile tool for many different applications. Changing rivet nozzles is quick and easy thanks to the convenient head wrench. Plus, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to carry and store. You can take it with you to any job site. What we like. This one comes with a convenient set of rivets and is lightweight and portable. If you're looking for a handy tool for quick jobs on the go, this is perfect for you. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces and travel. What people say. Feels heavy duty. Needed to rivet metal drawers together. Got the job done. This product is well made and very good to use. Number 3. WETOLS Pop Rivet Gun Kit. This kit is a game changer for all your riveting needs. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. It features 4 tool-free interchangeable rivet heads, so you can easily switch between sizes. Each size comes with 50 rivets, ensuring you have plenty for any project. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, whether you're working with one hand or 2. Changing rivet heads is quick and simple, requiring no additional tools. It's constructed from high-quality materials for durability and long life. The reinforced handle and comfortable grip ensure a comfortable and efficient work experience. It handles aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets, making it perfect for various tasks from construction to DIY projects. It's a truly versatile tool for any situation. This kit includes the rivet gun, 200 rivets, for drill bits, a user manual, a sturdy carrying case, and a 24-month warranty. We're confident you'll love it. What we like. It boasts a tool-free design for easy head changes and a durable construction. If you value ease of use and long-lasting performance, this is a smart choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. What people say. Bought this for a specific use. Found this tool easy to use and securely fastened my project with professional appearance. This tool worked perfectly. I have never used a riveting tool in my life. All I had to do, select the rivet size that exactly fit in the pre-drilled holes on the sign, 4.0 mm, drill a hole with the drill bit that was provided for that rivet size, insert the rivet in the tool, squeeze the handle twice, until the rivet was installed and its shaft was cut off. Good quality. Feels solid. Number 2. ValueMax 4-in-1 Riveter. It's built with 100% steel for superior durability. This ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion and high temperatures. It comes with 4 different nose pieces, easily changed by hand. This makes it versatile for various rivet sizes. You get 200 rivets in 4 popular sizes, 332, 1/8, 532, and 316. That's plenty for most jobs. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable and easy to use, reducing strain during operation. A handle lock keeps it compact for storage and transport. It's perfect for various projects, from automotive repairs to furniture assembly. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This tool is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It efficiently connects metal plates, saving you time and effort. What we like. Made of 100% steel, it offers superior durability and strength. If you prioritize a robust and long-lasting tool, this is the one for you. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable and efficient operation. Number 1. Marson 39,000 HP 2 Riveter. This is the Sherman Marson 39,000 HP 2 professional hand riveter, built for durability and comfort. It's designed to withstand even the toughest jobs. It features a square shoulder fulcrum pin made of cold-formed, heat-treated steel. This prevents pin rotation, unlike cheaper imitations, ensuring a longer tool life. The handles have thick, cushion-molded vinyl grips. This provides superior comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It boasts a high-strength aluminum alloy body and a drop-forged carbon steel upper handle. This combination ensures it can handle heavy-duty applications. With its robust construction and ergonomic design, it's the ideal tool for professionals. Experience the difference of a superior hand riveter. What we like. This professional-grade riveter features a reinforced design for superior durability and longevity. If you are a professional or serious DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable and robust tool, this is the best option. Its high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance. What people say. It is very solidly built. It takes significant strength to pop a rivet. Really nice quality blind rivet tool. Solidly built. I used it to apply aluminum blind rivet to garage door bottom seal track, worked flawlessly. This one is inexpensive but has worked awesome. The cheaper one worked for 1 rivet and broke on the second. I used this to restore hinges on my boat compartment doors. 316 rivets, which are the biggest it takes. 3 or 4 hand pumps and the rivet stem breaks off like it's supposed to. I have done over 50 rivets and not a single one has malfunctioned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.